So here's a little update on the RobotHut farm. Basically, this deck that you're looking at is 20 feet wide and about 19 feet deep. Was built back in the late 1970s, possibly the early 1980s, and didn't have a roof for the first 20 years of its life. So this is the weather side, so anywhere from 11 a.m. in the morning, as you can see we're raining today, until when the sun goes down, it would get beaten. It's basically unusable for us because it would be too hot in the summer and covered in snow and water and everything. So it was pretty rotten by the time we bought the place in 2000 and put a coat of paint on it. Then we had a roof put over it, which made it usable so the sun wouldn't beat it to death. And so I've spent the last week rebuilding it, redoing the joist, the wood, 2,000 fasteners, the steps, the stairs. It's solid and looks good now. The only thing we can't do is to clear coat it or stain it, whatever we're going to do to protect it, because it needs to dry out. The wood that we got a deal on was very wet, and of course having it raining, it's below freezing at night. It's in the 50s during the day. One day it'll be sun shining, one day it'll be raining, so we're going to probably have to wait a month or two for the weather to warm up and stabilize before we can do something with that. But that took a week out of my life.